Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
Mohammed Ufan. Name is Ammar Fahim.
Yes. Where do you live, Gufran?
I live in Aligarh near our school, and my native place is Aligarh only.
Ammar, do you have a hobby?
Yes,
Tell me about that.
I have a hobby of playing cricket.
All right. What do you like about your school? Why you are studying here in this school?
So because first reason is it is CBSE. In CBSE, my father told that marks can be obtained easily, but in some of in AMU it is not so. So for marks and something like extra circular activities are there. So for that also, my father said you can join a CBSE school is better.
Okay, moving on to next. That is the first round. Second round, in fact. Now you are going to tell us about your topics. All right. What's your topic?
My topic is science and future. Well, science is the creativity of the surroundings and its knowledge of the surroundings. Science, God has gifted us science, and it is the knowledge of the earth and the surroundings or our environment and the living beings involved. We study science to know about our surroundings, to our environment. But science has a great role in our daily life. For example, I welcome the blessings of science, which means that here the blessings of science, like in our school also we have a smart classes which are blessings of the science. We used to study with the interactivity with the computers that makes the science easy to study, or the subjects we study is easy. And there also are some of the benefits of science, like we use science in the treatment of cancer diseases and in medicines, and we use science in the transportation facility. Today's world, we can communicate with each other at a lightning speed, or we can communicate it to everyone.
My topic is adventure.
Now tell me, Gufran, how would you say that modern technology has affected our life?
Sir, I would like to say this by taking an example. Like we travel before the technology, we used to travel by walking, by foot. But today we travel by cars, buses. Today we use mobile phones to communicate with each other at a high speed. We can communicate with each other even if they are living in the other part of the world. But before, in the past, there was nothing like that. We cannot only we can communicate when we meet. But today there are some of the most beneficial, that some of the newses, they can travel from the other part of the world to the home, and we can watch them easily on our television screen.
Would you be able to tell me about the role of technology in education?
Yeah, like in our school we have a smart class. We used to study smart classes, make our studies interactive, and we used to study with them. That makes our mind to be fresh, and what we see with the images and videos can get easily recorded in our mind.
Okay, Mark. Now you are going to speak your topic. When you have finished, he will ask you a question. All right? Then I'll ask you some more questions. Start your topic.
My topic is adventure. Adventure is an exciting or unusual experiences. It may also be bold, usually risky, or undertaking with an uncertain outcomes. Adventure became a major pursuit of anyone's life. That is some adventurer that have been doing some sports adventure. The adventure may be a physical danger or potentially danger, that may be river rafting, skydiving, and so many sports adventure, and also participating in sports adventure. Adventurer Andrew Marriott stated that in his book La Humani, that if a man is not ready to risk his life, where is his dignity? And Helen Keller also stated that adventure is a life daring or nothing.
Can you define the adventure in a brief manner?
Adventure is a thing which happens to us to risk our life and some danger in our life.
Okay, Mark, would you please tell me what kind of adventure would you prefer?
I prefer sports adventure movies.
Did you have ever read so far any story
Yes.
or any novel based on adventure, or did you have seen any movie based on adventure?
Yes, I have seen a story about adventure that the man who was kidnapped by some people at the cave, and he cave in some place, and there was a paper thrown outside by him to help, and the man just see that, and he saved his life by risking his life.
Okay, thank you. Now let's go to the next task. That is our final task. I'm going to give you a card which has information about a problem. I'll now read it out this for you once. Listen it carefully. Many of your classmates do not bring their books to class and disturb others during class. Discuss with your partner why they behave in this way and what can be done to resolve the problem. Read this out carefully and then come up with a solution in a form of discussion. Alright?
Yeah, Amar, I think this is something, bad habit for the children and their future. But the classmates who are not bringing I think they just come to enjoy the school life. They just come to enjoy the school days. But they don't know what the future will be. What can you say about that?
Yes, you said right, Mufran. And that is the problem with the children, that he or she did not bring the book and enjoy their school life. But it does not mean that he can study. But bringing the book has more importance in the education life, and
We can provide them. We can help them to bringing the books by. The teachers can help by giving some punishments, or just saying or calling their parents for that they are not right, they are not bringing a book, or informing their parents that they are not bringing the books. Is it right?
yes, you are right. But it can also be prevented by telling them the importance of book. If you have book, then you can.
Okay, Gofran, now tell me what's the importance of textbooks in our life?
Sir, because textbooks are the basics of everything. What we study, what we learn, from where we learn from. Like in history, we learn the history of the past. But if we don't have a textbook, we don't know. At home, we don't have teachers. So for revision, we can use textbooks, because in classroom teachers.
If someone do not bring book to the class, what advice or what suggestions would you like to give them?
I would like to give him that to bring your book, so that you can study well for that, and the subject is good, and you can enjoy the subject by bringing the textbooks and reading them.
Yes, how would you encourage him?
You can encourage him by telling the importance of book, that the importance of book have many things of the importance that have, and bringing the book can bring him to a greater life after the education. And we can tell him, don't enjoy in the education life, you have to enjoy in when there is education life, and the one life that is from doing education.
Okay, thank you. That's the end of the test. Have a
Thank you,
nice
sir.
day.